Welcome to your introduction to reporting in Free Suite. Free Suite comes with essential reports and dashboards built right in, so you can start tracking your sales and service activities from day one. These reports and dashboards are fully customizable, so you can create your own to fit your business needs. It's really simple to get started. Let's walk through it together. First, make sure you're in the Sales or Service app on the left-hand side. Then click the Analytics tab. Once you're there, click Create. We're going to create a report today, so click Report. Now pick your report type. This determines what kind of data shows up in your report. So if you want to see information about your accounts, you'll choose a report type that includes accounts. For today, we'll choose accounts and click Continue to go forward. Once you click in, a sample report appears with some columns and data already set up for you. You can customize which columns show up using the left. Click to remove a field, or type in the search box to add a new field to your report. You can also drag them around and reorder them. This is perfect when you want to group by things like lead source or group by industry or owner. Once you add a grouping, you can throw a chart on there too, a bar chart, a donut chart, or whatever works for your business. Now that your report structure looks good, you can control which records actually show up. Just go to the top and click Filter. You can edit your filter to narrow things down, and when you're happy with it, you can go ahead and run that report. For today, we'll create a dummy report. Now we can run it and save it in case we want to use it again. Now that you've saved that report, if you want quick access to add it to a dashboard, you can create a brand new one. To do that, click the home link at the top, navigate under Collections to where it says Sales, click Sales, and then navigate to the right and click Add. Type in the name of the report you just created. It should pop up. Click the plus sign to the left to add it, and then finally click Add. Now you see Dummy Report 4 is up there within the dashboard. That's it. Resize your components, move them around to make it yours. But remember, the most important step is getting your data into Salesforce first, because even the best reports won't help if there's nothing to report on. And that's all there is to it. Go build some amazing reports, and if you need more help, head over to Trailhead, where we've got tons of resources waiting for you.